Hey everybody, this is Miss Chi, popping on here for week 2. Wanted to go over our tasks to complete this week. So we can always pop in here and check the schedule. So you can always check the schedule here. I know it's a little tiny, so you can zoom in. We have our weekly reading, which is Amy Tan's Mother Tongue in the Norton Field Guide. We want to answer questions 1 through 4 and submit that as a Word document. So that is the week 2 reading homework. So just type that up after you read. Answer simply questions 1 through 4, type up those answers and submit that. That is your week 2 reading homework. We also have week 2 discussion, and our literacy narrative is due this week. Let's pop in and take a look at the week 2 discussion. So let me zoom out a little. This week, we're working towards developing our literacy narratives. Think about the differences between the language you use when you speak at home and the language you use with friends, teachers, employers, and so on. Discuss the differences in the way you speak with different people in different situations. And you can totally tap into Amy Tan's piece. She talks a lot about the use of language. So just thinking about the way that you use language, whether you're formal or informal, and how you speak to people differently. So hopefully this is a fun week to think about. Remember, your initial post should be due Thursday, and then your responses to your classmates is due Sunday. I'm going to click back into content, and I'm going to go into the week 2 module. So again, the week 2 discussion we just went over is there up top, and then the week 2 reading homework is there, and then you have your literacy narrative is due. So again, you are crafting a story that explores your experience with reading or writing. All right, so this is a personal writing genre, so use it. Descriptive language, use elements of a lesson learned. What lesson did you learn from this experience with reading and writing? And then it's a story. So there should be a sense of a beginning, middle, and end. So reading Amy Tan's piece and also the textbook reading from last week on literacy narrative will really, really help you with this. So 500 to 1,000 words. And then here is your grading breakdown using creative and descriptive language, including a lesson learned, a sense of beginning, middle, and end. And then, of course, I'll be using the DSC rubric for writing. So here is the PDF of Mother Tongue. Again, try to make sure you guys have that textbook, but I was able to post a copy of the textbook pages here for you just in case. And then here are some student samples of literacy narratives. So this is our week 2 in a nutshell. So if you guys have any questions, you're free to email me. Let me know if you need any help with anything. But you guys are off to a great start, and it's going to be a great week. I can't wait to see your pieces, your literacy narratives. So have an awesome week, guys.